there, it's winter time here, it's February, and I want to show you something like 530 synthetic, what that looks like when it's minus 25 degrees Celsius. I'm going to pour that into the engine. 5W30 synthetic. Ooh, it's a little bit of a cast off there. It's very important to get the correct oil for your vehicle in the wintertime. 530, 030 is actually better recommended for colder environments.
This chart shows some products that can operate 10W30 at lower temperatures. Synthetic oils are going to operate much better than conventional oils as well. 0W30 will get into your engine quicker and cause less friction wear damage.
Look how slow that took to get down into the engine. So you imagine when you first start your vehicle in the morning, that syrup has to get pumped through your engine. And if you're low on your oil, or you don't have the correct oil, definitely take a look at your owner's manual, find out what's recommended. And so wintertime, if you're running 530 in the summer, go to 0W30 in the winter. You'll find it will be easier on your engine. But again, check your owner's manual, what's recommended, and yeah, there you go. So pour a little more in because I'm a little low on this. Gooey, gooey, good.